Good morning, everybody. Today you'll need your workbook, an exercise book, and your pencil case. Today you're going to do pages 34 and 35 of your workbook. You can find these on the register. Write more or less. A. 5 is than 4. 4 and 5. So 5 is more or less? Yes, it's more. But how many more? That's right. 1 more. 5 is 1 more than 4. B. 6 is than 8. Is 6 more or less than 8? That's right, it's less. But how many less? 1, 2. 6 is 2 less than 8. C. 9 is than 11. Here we have 9 and 11. Is 9 more or less than 11? That's right, it's less. 1, 2 less. 9 is 2 less than 11. D. 13 is than 15. Here we have 13 and 15, and 13 is more or less than 15? It's less. But how many less? 1 less, 2 less. 13 is 2 less than 15. E. 18 is than 16. We have 16 and 18. So 18 is 1, 2 more than 16. 18 is 2 more than 16. And here we have all our answers. A. 5 is 1 more than 4. 6 is 2 less than 8. 9 is 2 less than 11. 13 is 2 less than 15. 18 is 2 more than 16. Match the number sentences with the right answer. So we have 10 more than 10. So let's start with 10. Now 10 more. So we have 10 and more. So we have 10, 20. So let's match our 20, which is the answer, to the number sentence. 10 more than 10 is 20. B, 10 less than 40. Let's start with 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now 10 less. So I have to take away. There you go. And we're left with 30. So 10 less than 40 is 30. C, 10 less than 20. We have to put 20 out. Here we have our 20. And now 10 less. So we have to take 1 away. How much is that? Yes. 10. 10 less than 20 is 10. D, 10 more than 50. Let's put our 50, 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And now 10 more. So I have to add a 10 rod. How much does that make? That's right. 10 more than 50 equals 60. 10 less than 50. Let's start with our 50 here. And 20, 30, 40, 50, and now 10 less. Which leaves 40. 10 less than 50 makes 40. And more than 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10 more. That's right. It makes 50. 10 more than 40 equals 50. These are the answers all together. Number 3. Split these numbers into tens and ones. So we have our whole number here, 11, and we can split that into 10, which is 1 10, plus 1 1. B, 12, which we can split into 1 10 and 2 ones. see? 13. Here we have 110, and here 3 ones. D. We have 110 and 4 ones, and the whole number is 10 plus 4. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the whole number is 14. Again, we are missing the whole number. We have one part with the tens and one part with the 5 ones. So we add 10 plus 5 and we get 110. And here we have 5 ones. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 10 and 6. 110 gives us a 1 here. 6 ones gives us 6 here. 10 plus 6 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 110, 6 ones makes 16. Here you have the answers all together. Draw 10 rods and cubes to show the numbers you made. So using rods and cubes, draw 12. So here we draw one 10 rod and 2 cubes, 10, 11, 12. One 10 rod, 2 cubes that represent ones. Now, let's try this together. 9, 16, 17, 18, 19. Write these numbers in the what number does it show column. And now, try drawing the rods and cubes in the drawings part. When you've done that, you can continue watching the video to check the answers. Let's start with 9. 9 is less than 10, so we can't draw a 10 rod. We need to draw cubes. 9 ones. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 16. Here we have one red rod, 6 blue cubes. (17) we have 1 red rod and 7 blue cubes. "18" would be 1 10 and 8 1, so 1 red rod and 8 blue cubes. And finally, 19 would be 1 red 10 rod and 9 blue 1 cubes. That's all for today. Bye bye.